Well, good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another edition of Gettin'er Outdoors. Tell you what, today we're going to do some largemouth bass fishing out the kayak. It's abnormally cool for this time of year. It's the late spring, early summer. It's 56 degrees. I was going to come out here and do a topwater bite this morning, but I pulled up, looked around. I don't see anything hitting at the top. I think it cooled the water down, so I'm thinking that it's going to push the bass deeper. So I'm going to go with the slow presentation in the deeper water, and let's see what we come up with. All right, let's do a quick gear check here. I'm using a Lew's AH1G baitcaster reel on a 6.6 medium heavy. And today's bait, we're going to be using a wacky worm setup. That's kind of a watermelon white bottom on that. They seem to like that, so that's what we're going to go with. All right, let's get them in the water and see if we can get a bass in the boat. Look at that beaver. You're messing up my fishing, buddy. There's a bass. There's a bass. First one in the morning. That didn't take long, about 15 minutes. Not a big one, but good to start the morning off with. Oh yeah. There's some healthy bass in here. They all look good. Yeah, dandy. First one of the morning. Let's let him go and catch another one and get rebaited up. Oh, number two. Number two. That didn't take long, not even 5 minutes after that one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. About the same size as that other one. He swallowed that thing. On the old wacky worm, getting her done. Let's get him back and get another one. Off he goes. There's one. Number three. Oh, that's a little better fish right there. That's a little better fish right there. Oh yeah. Yep, that's a better fish. Whoa, 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 whoa. there, big boy. He ain't done quite yet. There he is. Yeah, that's a decent fish. That's a 3. Open your mouth, buddy. There we go. Oh, yeah. That's 3-pound fish right there. I have to get the pliers for him. Oh yeah, nice bass. Number 3 for the morning. Let's get him back, get another one, why don't we? Well, there he goes. Look, there's a fish. There he is. Oh, that's a good fish too. Oh yeah, he's a pulling. Number 4 in the boat. Oh, he's pulling a kayak. Oh, he's gonna break. Oh, that's a nice one. That's every bit of 4. That's a nice one right there. I'm sure I got my drag pulled. Man, there he goes. He's ripping drag. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's a good bass right there. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, that's a dandy. Come on, baby, don't come off. Don't come off. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. This one might be 5. Yeah, he's a pulling. This is a good bass here. Oh yeah, I got a corner mouth hook set. This should be good. Oh yeah, got it. Oh, that's a dandy. That's a dandy right there, man. Yes. Oh yeah, I love that wacky worm, man. Yeah, that's a 5-pound fish right there. Oh, yeah, look at him. And that's a nice one. Dandy fish. Yeah. Yeah, he's 5 pounds. And there's my arm. He goes clean up to my elbow. Yeah, dandy fish. Let's get him back, catch another one. Let's see if I can get a release on him. There he goes. Fish on. I guess fish number 8. Maybe some little one. There's a fish. Feels like a pretty decent fish too. Need to go up behind me. Yeah, that's a decent fish. Oh yeah, oh boy, there he goes. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Yeah, that's a decent one. He's fighting hard, one of the two. Yeah, he's 4. He'll go 4 pounds probably. Nice 3-pounder. Not a bad one. Yeah, not a bad one there. Alright, let's let him go. There he goes. There's another one. There's another one. I just caught the first cast after that last one. Just caught that one. He's not very big though. He ain't very big. Don't throw my worm on. Well, he got off. Quick release. There's one. There's a fish on. There's a nice fish. Not a bad one. He ain't that 8-pounder that we're looking for, but yeah, when the sun came out, the bite shut down. I ran to the store to get that SD card, and it wasn't 30 minutes after that sun came out. But I'm still pugging along. There's one. Just a little one. There's a fish. There's a fish. Whoa, 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 buddy. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. He didn't know he was hooked till he got to the boat. That's a dandy. That's a dandy. Yeah, it's a solid 2 to 3. And he engulfed that sucker. There's another one. Oh man, this was pulling too. Yeah, it's not that big. my daggone wacky worm. They're bad, but that's it. I've gone through bags of wacky worms. There's another one. Oh man, this one here's a good one. Did you see that? Man, that was a 5 or better. There's one. That one's fighting pretty good, dude. That's a decent bass. Threw my daggone worm. Yeah, that's a good one there. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Man, that's a good fish right there. Yeah, that's a good one. Nice bass. Well, that's a nice bass right there. I think I'm going to end it on this note. It's getting this low after lunchtime. I'm going to do a few more casts here, but if I don't do anything else, this is going to be the end of the video. And like I said, I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, keep getting in the outdoors, but have a blast like this. Let's let him go. There he goes.